Yung books na binabasa niya, now hindi nyo ata alam na sa Philippines ngayon, sikat na sikat ang LGBTQ boy-to-boy, girl-to-girl novels. Maliliit na novels. Pauso yan ng mga Wattpad. Kasi sa Wattpad, pag sumulat ka ng, I also call it bastos, pag X-rated, super R-rated na novel sa Wattpad, it's a website where kids write stories for other kids. The stories get really popular to the point that the bookstores publish the books. And there are tons of preteen and teen books out there na LGBTQ. If you're a Catholic and you understand the concept of what is Catholicism, what is LGBTQ actions, you do not let your kids read people acting out their attractions. You don't let them, ay, alika na panood din natin nagsisex yung dalawang lalaki. Kasi you don't do that, right? Because it's a kid. It's a kid. You don't, if you're a Catholic, you don't do that. Neither would you let them or should you let them read novels about it. And kung kung ang hilig mo, freedom of everything, magbasa-basa ka kung what it means to be a Catholic first before you relate yourself to the French idea of freedom. Yung napanood nyo sa Paris, yun yung French idea of freedom. Yung bastusin nating lahat because masusunod ang freedom. Yun yung French version, which is what normally people do when they say freedom. That's bastusin na lang natin lahat ng established everything kasi mas importante what we think. In other words, you're the boss. Yun yung freedom na tinasabi. Which means I'm not talking to you. I should be talking to people who are actually Catholics. Okay? Because that's my goal, to reach Catholics. That's why this statue is here. Para kung di ka Katolikos, baka ano kami yun. Ayoko dyan. Yun. That's the point there. Okay? So that's number 3. Persons who carry on bad conversations. The only way you can discover if your kid is talking to the right people is marunong ka magparitel. Uy, tell me about your afternoon. Retell your afternoon. What's the best thing that happened? What's the worst thing that happened? Every day yon, to the point that your kid now expects you to ask that question every day. And it won't be ugly because you need to listen well. In fact, when you listen well, bawal ka mangaral. Just makinig ka lang. You know? And that is number 3 of raising holy Catholic kids. Exercise strictest vigilance to prevent their being allowed in your home, friends, books, persons who carry on bad conversations, also known as bad ideas. Yung sinasabi nilang the pen is mightier than the sword. It's because bad ideas, when entering into your house or life or family, will actually kill your relationships. Yung simple idea lang, Daddy, I want to upload myself into the cloud. How do you do that? Oh, meron ditong place, pupunta ka doon, you pay them money, they kill you, and they upload your brain into the cloud. Assisted suicide pala. That's because of the idea of you can upload yourself into the cloud. Really? Yun lang. So that's number 3.